Hi, Matt with LifeOmic here, and just wanted to walk you through what accepting a circle invite looks like in this video today. So I'm using an iPhone today, but this works the same on an Android device. So I'm in my app right now, and let's say my friends told me, hey, I sent you an invite. So I'm going to go into my email, and they sent it to me in email in this case, whether it's sent via text, email, Slack, Messenger, really it all works the same. There'll be some kind of invite link like this. And really accepting an invite to the circle is as simple as clicking on the link. The app should let you know that you've successfully joined the circle. And that circle name was Circle Demo 3 with a picture of a Starbucks coffee cup. So I can see now that it's been added to my list of circles here in my circles homepage, and I can go in and see the other map that's in here. So if I want, I can leave the circle for whatever reason on the top right, and you can see here back on the home page that circle test 3. I can also see who's fasting in there, both my active fast and the other people that are in that circle's active fast. So that's accepting a circle invite. It's as simple as that. Thanks.